there, this is Danielle Woods with DW Augusto Tax Planning. The purpose of this video is to discuss the types of income documents that you'll need to provide for your personal income tax return that's reported on a 1040. First, we have W-2 job income, all W-2s from all sources for the current tax year. Your 1099 INTs report interest income from banks or from brokerage accounts. You should be aware, though, that even if your bank does not provide you with a 1099 INT, because the amount is small or something, you still have to report it. So even if you've only received $3, you need to let us know. Sometimes just a December bank statement total is enough. The next is 1099 DIVs. Those are dividends, taxable dividends paid out of a taxable brokerage account. You will not receive forms for that for retirement accounts. Retirement accounts do not need to be reported unless you take a distribution, which we talk about a couple down on 1099-R. Those are distribution from retirement accounts, 401ks, IRAs, Roth IRAs, pensions, annuities. All of those will provide you with a 1099-R. 1099-Bs are taxable sales from securities. So if you have a brokerage account through Schwab, Fidelity, Robinhood, and you sell anything in that account during the year, you'll receive a 1099-B that will report the realized gains and losses from those sales. Sometimes you get a full packet from your provider, like a Schwab or Fidelity will give you a document called a 1099 composite, and it will include the 1099 INT, 1099 DIV, and a 1099-B in the instances where any or all of those are necessary. Another is Social Security income. You should get a statement from Social Security. Many people are receiving those statements electronically now. Sometimes that's easy for people to go in and access. It's once a year, so just know that come tax time, if you have been getting direct deposits and you're not getting paper documents in the mail from Social Security, you probably need to log in to your Social Security account to download your tax form. K-1s, if you are involved in a partnership or an S-Corp in a business venture, then you may receive a K-1. K-1s often come very late in the year. Business returns like those, S-Corps and partnerships are complicated. It takes time to get those done properly, and sometimes it's September before you get a K-1. So just make us aware of it. We can get everything else done on your return, and we just have to hold up for that K-1. The others are if you are self-employed in any way, shape, or form, meaning you do a small job for part of the year, you have your own business or anything, you might receive forms called 1099 MISCs, 1099 MISCs, or 1099 NECs for self-employed people. Even if a provider does not give you a 1099 MISC or a 1099 NEC, but you know that you made money from them, you have to report the income. So give us all of those forms, or be prepared to give us a total for income that you received on your self-employed income. Last but not least on this list is kids' income. Sometimes your kids have a substantial brokerage account and it's making money. Believe it or not, that creates a whole other can of worms, and I'm not going to delve into it in this video, but we might need a lot more information regarding your kids and your income for that.